Hi guys, welcome to Motor Rides. My name is Vipul and these motorcycles right here are the new Bajaj Pulsar P150s. This one right here is a twin disc variant. This one is a single disc variant. Now, our review, what do you feel about the motorcycle? That review is going to go up on 16th of December at 10 a.m. So subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload that video. But right now I can show you what the motorcycles look like, what all kit do they get. I just can't share my opinions. But your opinions are not embargoed, so fill in the comment section and share your opinions right there. I would like to hear from you what you feel about the first look of this motorcycle. Now let's get started with the design, and right up front you will notice that this motorcycle now gets a new bikini fairing, and it gets a projector LED headlamp unit as well. Now this one is a first in segment, and no other motorcycle will get this in this segment as of now. You get disc brakes up front, you get single channel ABS and 90/90 section front tires. Right here you have the engine, the 150cc engine, which is completely blacked out. You also get a Kickstarter right here, and the foot pegs, they are rear set, so expect a commanding riding position. Here you have the exhaust, which I'm going to fire up for you right now. That's how it sounds. Let me know in the comments what you feel about it. Foot pegs for the pillion seat. You get split seats right here and grab handles, clear lens LED tail lamps, clear turn indicators, but these are bulbed. The rear wheel also gets disc brake, and this is a 110/80 section tire. Both the wheels are 17-inch alloys. You also get a cowl here, which is made of fabric. Pulsar branding right here. 14-liter fuel tank, USB type A port. This is what the key looks like, and this is the Infinity instrument console. You get a tachometer right here and a digital readout right here. It's more or less like the new 250s. This is what the mirror looks like, and right here you'll notice you get clip-on handlebars. That's what the switch gear sounds like. So that's the overall design of the new Pulsar P150. Now there are some differences in the P150 with the dual disc and the P150 with the single disc, and one obviously is the disc brake, the lack of disc brake on the single disc variant. The second one is the seats. This one has split seats, that one has a single seat. Also, the grab handle on this one is split. This one has a single piece, a grab handle. The tires on the rear, right here you get a 100/90 section tire, whereas here you get a 110/80 section tire for the rear. On the front, 90/90, and right here you get a 80/100 section tire. Also, clip-ons on this bike. The single channel, the single ABS unit gets a tubular handlebar. So those were the differences between the two motorcycles. Let us know what you think about both the motorcycles. Our review will go out on 16th of December at 10 a.m. So subscribe to Motor Rides if you haven't already. Press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload the review video. This is Vipul signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, rev hard, rev free, and ride safe.